What's happening, everybody? I have a special person here today, rising soccer player. I think he might go pro. He is good, and I like his style. He's been playing for a long time. David, what's happening?
Good. How are you?
All right, all right. So, what brings you in today, man? What's been going on?
I'm having knee pains.
Okay, how long you been having them?
About 4 or 5 months.
4 or 5 months. And what was it called again?
Osgood Schlatter.
Osgood Schlatters. Okay, and you went to your doctor, and what did they tell you about it?
Um, they said I should ice. They're really just ice. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Now that becomes a problem for you because you're such a baller and you like to play all the time, right? So that's kind of hard to work out. So you got to get back on the field. So since we've been getting adjusted and getting in alignment, how has that been helping you, or has it been helping you? Tell the truth, man.
Yeah, it's been helping me. I've been training, and then like when I get up, because I sit down for a really long time, and they feel sore like when I get up. But after I get up, they feel like way more loose.
Okay, okay. So today, I know we got adjusted earlier this week. How does it feel right now before we get adjusted?
They feel a little sore because I've been training, but they
It's,
don't feel as bad as
okay,
they used to.
okay. So after trainings and stuff, it used to kind of hurt, but now it's not as bad.
Yeah, it's not
Getting
as bad.
better.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, cool, cool. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get adjusted, and then we'll go from there, man. I
All right.
appreciate you.
Thank you.
All right. Hey, face down for me, please.